Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about this serum by Estee Lauder, the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Yes, so guys, let's talk about this magical serum because this serum really works for me and I will tell you all the reasons why. So firstly, we should talk about that what this product is actually made for. 4 things. Number 1, if your skin is dehydrated, dry skin. Number 2, dull skin. Number 3, uneven skin, the pigmented skin. And number 4, the skin that is showing the signs of aging. So guys, according to my research, when you cross 25, the age of 25, your skin just start losing all of its collagen and just started showing the signs of aging. So that time is the best time to buy the serum. If you cross 25, so just go and grab this serum because now your skin just needs it. And guys, of course, I need this serum. I just need this serum when I had given birth to my baby. My skin just got so much dried, so much dull, so that I just decided to buy the serum from Estee Lauder. And guys, I totally recommend this product. Beside of its price, people often ask, is this product worth taking? So the answer is yes. So guys, the awesome thing about this serum is that it's totally oil free and it absorbs so quickly into your skin, and only 2 drops of this magical serum is enough for the full-fledged face. Yes, only 2 drops. So guys, it basically contains hyaluronic acid in it, and the company says it will take 3 weeks to see the visible changes, but I say that it will take only 1 week to see the visible results. Yes, only 1 week. In my case, it's only 1 week. Now let's discuss how to apply the serum in the best way possible to get the best results. So guys, there is a 3-step process you need to follow. Number 1 is cleanse your skin with a good cleanser. Number 2 is exfoliate your skin with a good exfoliator. And number 3 is use this magical serum on the damp skin. And number 4 is also very important, use a good night repair cream, a good moisturizer, and remember, a good combination matters. So guys, now I will tell you how to use the serum in the best way possible to get the best results. So you need to first cleanse your skin with a good cleanser. I use this cleanser by Nivea. It is a cleanser plus a makeup clear milk. So secondly, exfoliate your skin with a good exfoliator. So I use this exfoliator, this scrub, and you can use any of your choice. So guys, 3rd step is applying the serum on your damp skin, and the 4th step is question mark, because I will reveal that in the next video, that which night cream to use, which night cream makes the best combination with the serum. So yeah, please watch my next video for that, because I am using the combination of this serum with that cream, and that makes a visible difference in my skin and works really good for me. So guys, please like my video, to comment and subscribe my channel, and wait for the next video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.